are the keynotes of today's discussion. Number 1, Naira Marley blamed for Funke Akindele Bello's arrest. Number 2, my special advice to Nigerian government and authorities over the use of borrowed languages, and so much more in this video. So I encourage you guys to keep watching while I download the details of this gist right here in this video. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Depending on where you are watching from, I greet you by your own time. So I just want to thank God for the life of us all, including myself, you that's watching me now, and you that's yet to watch me later. I want to thank God for keeping us alive till this day. We all know what is happening. I don't want to call the name because I said I'm done with that topic. But you know, amidst of it all, we are still alive. So we are very grateful to God. So guys, without taking much of your time, for those who are here for the first time, this is how we do it here. We try to analyze issues, you know, and we stay on a very neutral ground. Though. I know some people have attacked me and say, Miss Continental, don't be sorry for talking this, but we still try our best. We're only humans now, Abby. So, and, you know, we analyze breaking news, things that are out there, and we try to speak from a very different perspective so that people can, like, you know, form their own opinion, okay? So, and when we also have the opportunity to use you learn. Like I said, I use this my auntie learn now, you know, welcome back. We also use that opportunity, you understand? So, yeah, that is it. So, guys, we are going to be talking a little bit, touching a little bit of, you know, the video that our dear auntie Funke Akindele Bello posted out there where she was apologizing. I guess we all know about this. So, yeah, it's no longer news. And for the benefit of those, I hardly believe that we've not heard about this already. For the benefit of those who have not heard about what happened to Funke Akindele and her hubby, JJ Scales, they were arrested recently because there was like a kind of, will I say like a kind of disturbance, and they constituted nuisance a little bit in their community when they're supposed to be locked down. They were partying when some people were looking for food to eat, you know, gnashing and growing their teeth in their home. Some people were partying, hey, hey. Just take a look at the video.
This is the best estate to be stuck in the lockdown. It's my birthday. Oh! Hold on. Let them know. Happy birthday, one day.
So yeah, that was the video of celebration when people are locked down, you know, people are hungry. And it's not even about having the party closed doors that was even the issue, but having the guts. Some people get mad though. You still carry on, you still go put on for social media. Eh? There's this philosophy around stealing. Still, they don't get caught. Because when you get caught, now that one they will arrest you, now that one they will punish you put. Not that stealing itself. So you did your party jejely. nobody, they didn't even call the police. I think people in the estate were so nice. But you went as far, you couldn't put them for social media. What do you expect people to be doing? They are hungry people who cannot go to the market to sell, to buy. They just did their house, JJ. Children, they're hungry. Flies, they use that, they throw away flies, come up for body. Like, they talk of, I mean, you are there, you are jubilating, coded down, auntie me, tita, koda. So, anyways, I think the police got a glimpse of the video and they came after them. And you know, this big man punishment, we know how it goes now. If na poor man, you will not hear the end of it. Maybe he'll still be rotting somewhere in behind the cells there. So, anyways, so after that, I think she came out to render an apology. But that apology itself is loaded with meaning. I get small problem with the apology, and I'm going to play it to you, and then you guys will see for yourself. So, Auntie me, let's hear the apology that you rendered, and see if my viewers will also accept it.
Hello everyone, my name is Funke Akindele Bello, an actress, one of the CEOs of Same One Production. I've seen all the messages on social media, and I must say I will not intentionally mislead people, which is why I want to explain what happened yesterday. Truly, yesterday was my husband's birthday, and both of us run Same One Studios, which is located in an estate where we live. We have studios running to like 12 in there. We have interior, exterior. We build sets there. We build road, market. That's where we film Jennifer's Diary, all our content.
By the way, what is Ame? Ame. Ame. For those of us from Edo State, please correct her for me, Jerry. It's Ame Estate. Ame Estate. There's also a Tiosa Estate. How are you going to change a Tiosa Estate now? I beg, give credit. Ame. Don't say amen anymore. So, continue. Lady, you think we are not joking? Auntie, sister me, we are not joking. We want her. You finish with the Nigeria. This is my own court. We want to hear your apology. Can you please go straight to where you apologize? Why all this rigmarole and beating around the bush? We know you have, money, kudi. You've got it all. But can you please, we don't want to hear about your material things, what you possess, what you are cynic of 100 capacity. I'm very comfortable in my corner of my room that is had the capacity of accommodating 5 people. I'm okay. Now only 5 people will feel accommodate for where me day. But you now, you have 100. We know it. Nobody is disputing it. But can you please, that place where you apologize, I beg, regardez my people.
Naira Marley is part of the project Omogeto the Saga. That is supposed to be a surprise, but I have to spell it now so you all can understand me. Please note, I'm not defending myself. I understand your concerns. So Naira Marley came in here before the lockdown. We're all as a family. Then my husband's birthday came up. And I'm sorry if I have misled you with the video. I appreciate your concerns, and I promise to always practice what we preach.
Good girl. Now you hit the nail. Yes, this is what we want to hear. Yes. My belly don't sweet now. Apology accepted. But next time, no try them again, because I no go forgive you. I no go forgive you at all. That the time I come after you. So that one accepted. Okay? No do them again next time. Man shebemo. Never. Kilo day. When people are hungry, they can't sell, they can't buy. And you come with the trade that. How do you want people to feel? What kind of oppression is that? After we all say oppression, I keep saying this thing. All of us, both the people in power, we civilians, we are all implicated in the act of oppression. We oppress each other by what we do, directly or indirectly. Which oppression come past like that now? When people are crying, go worry, they are killing each other there. They are killing each other because the people, they can't stay home. They want to come out and go and buy or sell so that they can feed. And you in your comfort level, you are trying party. Hey, Kodao. Emma Shebe mo. Shebo? Okay. That is that. But that does not mean that accusation, that your statement that Naira Marley is the one who said you people should go ahead. that one is no good though. Eh? It be like say you will still come out again and rectify that place. Oh. Because if the government comes after Naira Marley, they have the proof. They have the evidence from what you said. Oh. That is aiding and abetting crime. Oh. Eh? Naira Marley is the one who said you should. Abi guys, you didn't hear it. Let me play it again so you will hear that place. Regardez.
And when the lockdown was announced by our president, he said he would love to stay back. He loves this environment. Let's keep working on the soundtrack. Let's keep working on everything. I said, okay, fine.
Can you imagine that? That is too. That can implicate him. Sitami. Don't say it's Naira Marley. It's what you wanted to do. You just said the real thing now. That and it was your husband's birthday. Yeah. So, like, you want to celebrate your husband. There's a lockdown. There are already people around. And remember, you also said that not all of them live outside Lagos. That means from the time they went ahead to advise about a lockdown in the state. I believe you still have nothing less than 24 hours for those people to return to their tent. But you didn't let them go. They stayed there. For those who does not live in Lagos, they could still travel to their place from the time that lockdown was announced to the time of that party. But you know what they said? Because they want money there to accommodate them, so you make sure they stay. Waiting. Now we not can get husband. Now we don't get husband. You make sure because of your husband. Anyway, kudos, he probably deserve it. I'm not against your marriage, oh. He deserve it. You can do anything for him. But okay, now if you were somebody to go to jail, now you go jail. You come with the do husband for inside jail. And me without your husband, you just me, I trust him well. He just say go come the wait. So that wasn't very smart at all. That was very smart. But your apology accepted. But it's the other ingredients you're trying to embellish it. I don't want to play all the videos here. That's why I just played out what I missed. The way you're embellishing it, it's something that I'm not just. I don't kind of agree with. You still a little bit of show off what you've got. You know, the space, your capacity of your studio and all that. There's a little bit of bluffing and show off there. And you still kind of use style to introduce your Amogetto that is coming up. So still you stand. We are not thirsty. We can't wait to see it. And overall, although you still apologize, but where you can't spoil the whole thing now. You understand? Where you say Naira Marley decided to say Kiniko, that part of it, it get us to be. If that may be Naira Marley, I go sue you. In fact, Naira Marley should contact me on how we can go about that, because we can make a lot of money from that place where you now allegedly that he was the one who said you decided to. So if he hadn't said anything, you wouldn't have. So that means it's his fault. Abi? Go down. Having said that, my Aburo, yes, Aburo Miniena. Yes. Why is it that every party that they always hear your name? My Naira Marley. Why is it that anything that is associated with breaking the rules, your name must be there? Go down. I better they may they leave you, may they hide you, may they put you down. Okay? So that said, let me talk to my people in the government. And the use of languages. Lockdown, social distancing. Which other language do they use again? Which other language that is associated with this? So many languages like that, they are not coming up now. What is with lockdown? Me, I've never heard that language before from any of our official mouth until recently when Donald Trump, Uncle Donald Trump, my neighbor here, and my premier, Justin Trudeau, I told for you, I don't they like you every single day. Until they start using this word lockdown, social distancing, my president, the day he said that word, I said, God, oh, this word, they don't still export this word go Africa. Africa don't accept that, they don't say they use them. You know what? When you start using words that does not actually tally with our system, our culture, our experience, our orientation, who we are, it's hard now. Practice social distancing, wash your hands, this thing, all all of a sudden, we want to do the same thing as this one. They kill us. So social distancing and all this, you know, all those technologies they are using to kind of prevent the spread of COVID-19. You know, we live in a different country. Things that we are used to, it's not like them. Take for instance now, Nigeria, where we come from, Africa in general. A man in a household, there can be 96 children with 8 wives. How you go do those kind of people now that are in the same place? What is the difference between people that are in the market or people that are in a party that are not practicing social distancing and people that have this kind of huge and big family living in the same? Where did come the difference now? I remember I was in a church one day, one sister was giving a testimony. She said her father-in-law, all the children that her father-in-law has are enough to make up a classroom. So how do you practice distancing among those kind of people? We just carry the word come Nigeria, we just start to the user. Without even realizing where we come from. Why we know they use those words like infrastructures, social welfare, social assistance, government support for individuals, free education, tuition freeze, student loans, Nigeria pension plan, you know, all those, you know, positive words, all those development, all those things that make Western world what they are. Why we know they use those kind of words? Why don't we just use those kind of words? Why is it that now the ones who be say you know go favor citizens, now those ones then will they use? Before you start using words, before you start being copycat, if you want copy people, copy them completely, 100%. No, they take the bad one. Like as children when they are learning, they tend to pick up the bad things fast. No, they do like children. They say it's only the bad ones we pick. We don't take about the good ones. Stay on social distancing. Don't go market. Don't do this. The other day I heard that a husband and wife were in the car. They are going to their market gingerly to go and buy food stuff. Police arrest them. Go throw them for sale. The husband and wife show them groceries in the car and say, we're just coming from the marketplace. We need food at home. What's wrong? What crime have those people committed now? The police said they're supposed to practice social distancing. Where are they coming from this? Even the Western world that we borrow that language from, that made up that was social distancing. We still travel, we still they go market. We still go to the store and buy things. Even though the police stop you, they have every evidence. They see your receipt, the date that you are coming from market. They will let you go. Why is the Baba things with the support? You know, me, I try not to be critical of government because to be a leader is not easy at all. Even in the home, the family structure at all. Leading the family is very tough. Not to talk of a whole nation. So I try not to criticize. I try to look at the positive side. But this particular one, I don't think I can keep them again. I don't hear social distancing. What do I not say be the meaning by the words? People they do party. Now go arrest them. Okay, una arrest them now. Those one we don't pass that one. But what I'm saying now is, if you can arrest those kind of people now that are together, that are not even, I look at the video, they're not even, I don't think they're even up to 50. The most maybe around 40 or so. Me, I'm not saying of a family man that has 96 children. How do you go to social distance those kind of people with 8 wives? I beg. Don't make me vex. Make I just stop here today. So that is why. So stay tuned for more videos coming up. And yeah. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to subscribe to this channel. And that's it for today. Until my next one. Stay blessed. Thanks for watching, guys. And I love you guys. Bye-bye.